Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Xbox password. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft account recovery page. You'll then need to input the email address, phone number, or Skype name that is linked to your Xbox account. After entering this information, the system will prompt you to verify your identity, usually by sending a security code to one of your registered contact methods. This initial step is crucial for regaining access. Once you've entered your account details, you'll be presented with several options to verify your identity. You can choose to receive a security code via email or a text message to your registered phone number. If you use an authenticator app, input the 6-digit code it generates. Should you be unable to access any of these security options, simply select "I don't have any of these" to proceed with further recovery steps. This ensures you can still regain access. After successfully verifying your identity, the system will prompt you to create a brand new password. It's essential to choose a strong and unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to maximize your account's security. You'll need to enter your new password twice to confirm it, ensuring there are no typos. Consider using a reputable password manager to securely store this new password, making it easy to remember without compromising safety. Beyond just resetting your password, there are several proactive steps to significantly enhance your Xbox account's security. We highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification step. Regularly review and update your security information, like recovery email addresses and phone numbers. Always be vigilant against phishing attempts and suspicious links, as these are common tactics used by malicious actors to gain unauthorized access. Staying informed is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.